back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have another work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, before we get into it, I did do a little bit of research on Glassdoor, and I will share that at the end of this video. But just a little disclaimer, I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, trying to help you find the best work from home jobs. I do try to always do my research and weed out scams before sharing anything, but things can slip through, so please always do your own research before giving your personal information to any of these companies. And if you're interested in applying to anything that I share, the links are always in the YouTube description box below the video. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the Auto Club Group. Now, they provide membership, travel insurance, and financial services to people through AAA. So they are partnered with AAA. They are a huge company. They have members across 11 states and 2 U.S. territories through the AAA membership. They are hiring a remote processing associate. Now, this is for the United States only. But they are basically looking for someone to process a variety of documents in order to issue and endorse those memberships, travel, and insurance accounts. So you'll have to gather appropriate data for new business quotes, amendments to current policies, reimbursement requests, contractor payment data, all of those things, and review to ensure that those documents are accurate and complete. You'll also be calculating sales commissions, premiums for those insurance policy, billing amounts, etc., and you'll receive and process transactions and payments as well. You may also process a variety of transactions in the system related to updating people's membership, insurance contracts, or other activities related to their policies. Now, while a lot of this position is going to be non-phone, there may be times when you have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call and respond to telephone calls from customers and agents regarding billing status, balances due, etc. Now, one good thing about this position is they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They would like somebody who has experience processing transactions or accounts, somebody who can perform data entry duties such as maintaining a 6,000 keystroke per hour data entry rate. Of course, somebody who has the ability to perform monetary transactions like keying and entering data into cash terminals, adjusting account balances, those types of things. You need to have knowledge of basic insurance terminology and willingness to extend your regular work hours sometimes to work holidays or weekends. Now, of course, the actual job description did not list pay. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I did a little bit of research on Glassdoor, and it looks like a processing associate at the Auto Club Group makes anywhere from $42,000 a year all the way up to $46,000 a year. They have a 3.5 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor from previous people who have worked for them, and you can go read all of the reviews. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that is okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.